The entire place feels unusually heavy tonight. He looks emotionally exhausted, almost overwhelmed. He's praying like someone carrying something unbearably heavy. They're trying to stay awake, but they can barely keep their eyes open.
קומו. שקדו איתי. אל תירדמו.
He asked them to stay awake with him, but they couldn't do it.
מה אתם ישנים? הישמרו והתפללו, פן תבואו לידי ניסיון.
He already looks emotionally prepared for something terrible.
אבי.
The night is ending, and he already seems to know exactly what's coming. Everything suddenly feels unnaturally still.
הרוח אומנם צ'פצח, אבל הבשר צ'לש.
Someone is coming.
הגיע הזמן. הנה המותקרב מוסרי.
They seem terrified that the people are beginning to listen to someone else.
If we let him continue, everyone will believe in him, and Rome will come.
The crowds grow larger every day. If there is a revolt, Rome will destroy everything.
There are too many people in the city now. Even the soldiers seem overwhelmed.
If this continues, we will lose control of the people, and Rome will not hesitate.
Something coordinated is happening tonight. They are moving with urgency.
The people are beginning to believe he is the Messiah. If Rome hears of rebellion during Passover, they will crush us all.
People are speaking about him everywhere now, and the authorities seem increasingly alarmed.
If another revolt begins during the festival, Caesar will hear of it immediately.
I know exactly what is at stake.
They seem less afraid of one man, and more afraid of what Rome might do to all of Jerusalem.
The priests fear losing control of the people, and if they lose control, we lose the city.
The city feels occupied tonight. Everyone seems to be preparing for something terrible.
All units remain alert.
Nobody seems certain about what is happening anymore, but the entire city feels uneasy. Jerusalem feels completely different now, almost like the city already knows what is about to happen.
Nobody here seems able to explain what just happened. They look completely lost, like they never imagined this could actually happen. Something terrible is happening.
We don't know what they will do to him.
Nobody knows what to say to her.
Mary. They took him.
They took him.
Nobody here seems capable of resting anymore.
The priests were waiting for him. The city is turning against him.
Jerusalem is waking up, but nothing feels normal anymore.
The priests want him condemned. The priests want him condemned.
We should have fought.
Against Rome?
We cannot stay here forever.
And go where?
They are running without knowing where to go anymore. He looks desperate to do something, but completely lost. They genuinely believe they could be arrested next. None of them seem prepared for what this night has become.
He is terrified, but he still cannot fully walk away. Everything they believed was about to happen now feels uncertain.
Jerusalem looks the same this morning, but for them, everything has already changed forever.
The crowds near the temple are becoming restless.
If this turns into a riot during Passover, Rome will hold you responsible.
A message from your wife, Governor. Have nothing to do with that righteous man, for I suffered greatly because of him in a dream tonight.
If you release him, the people will turn against you. I find no guilt in this man.
He looks less angry than overwhelmed, like he knows this situation could become dangerous very quickly.
Do you not hear how many things they accuse you of?
Everyone here seems terrified that the crowd could turn uncontrollable.
He does not look like a man preparing for justice. He looks like a man trying to prevent chaos.
Something about this has deeply frightened her. Even inside the fortress, fear seems to be spreading.
He looks trapped between politics, fear, and something he cannot fully ignore. This no longer feels like a simple trial. It feels like the entire city is pushing him toward a decision. Nobody here looks certain anymore, but everything already feels irreversible. He's barely speaking, and somehow that makes the room feel even heavier.
This feels less like justice, and more like a political emergency meeting.
Move him forward. He still says nothing.
זה היה עם ישוע מנצרת.
נינני מכיר את האיש.
Everyone out here seems afraid to even speak too loudly.
This no longer feels like a religious hearing, and it feels like the city is moving toward unrest.
Behold the man! Crucify him!
They're choosing Barabbas!
So this is the king of the Jews? Bow before your king!
This has gone too far. Keep the line secure. He has done nothing wrong. This is an outrage.
He looks terrified of being seen. But he cannot leave.
He looks exhausted, like he no longer knows what to do.
They are not acting like revolutionaries anymore. They are acting like frightened men trying to survive. The fear in his face is overwhelming.
He looks completely broken.
Everything changed for them in a single night.
Jerusalem feels colder this morning, almost as if the entire city already knows something irreversible has begun. People are arriving from every direction now, and nobody seems calm. The atmosphere feels increasingly controlled, almost like the crowd is being guided. Everyone around him seems afraid except him. This feels less like a trial, and more like a city on the edge of collapse. They still cannot believe this is truly happening. The city feels like it is losing control. The Romans are beginning to panic too. He still refuses to defend himself. They are watching everything collapse from a distance, unable to stop any of it. It feels like nobody can calm this crowd anymore. Yet, the atmosphere changed the moment they brought him out. The crowd no longer sounds uncertain. Now it sounds angry.
If you release him, the people will turn against you. I find no guilt in this man.
Do you not hear how many things they accuse you of?
He looks like a man trying to escape responsibility, even while standing in the middle of it.
Governor, the crowd is losing control. Crucify him!
They truly believed they were about to witness a kingdom, not this. Everything changed the moment the crowd made its choice. The anger here doesn't feel spontaneous anymore. It feels directed.